Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red clear, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Good evening, graduates. I'd like to start by thanking you for joining us for this virtual commencement ceremony. Your university is proud of you. Completing a college degree is challenging under ordinary circumstances. You have overcome those challenges and many obstacles we could not have imagined a year ago. Your determination is inspiring to me and to so many of us at SVSU, and it will serve you well in your careers. You are joining a network of SVSU alumni who have distinguished themselves in their respective fields. By pursuing a career in business, you have committed to serving as leaders in an industry that is competitive, ever-changing, and always challenging. Your education and experience will impact lives, entire companies, and communities. To all of our graduates watching this virtual ceremony, I offer my heartfelt congratulations. Celebrate your accomplishment. You have earned it. This occasion marks the end of a long journey. It has been demanding, but I hope you have also found it to be rewarding and inspiring. As you prepare to celebrate, let us also recognize those who are celebrating with you, your parents, your grandparents, your siblings, your spouses, and all of your family and friends who have supported you and have sacrificed for you. We also recognize the SVSU faculty and staff who have mentored you and pushed you along the way. Those relationships continue even after your degree is complete. We truly are a community. Challenging times often lead us to remember our common bond and strengthen our relationships with one another. Those relationships are what get us through the tough times and bring meaning to our joyous times. Once again, my sincerest congratulations to each of you. We hope you will stay in touch with us, and we look forward to seeing you visit your alma mater often. As we approach the holiday season, let us focus on hope. Not an empty hope that is undefined, but a hope for a bright future and a meaningful career that rests on the fact that you are a Saginaw Valley State University graduate.
Good evening. I am Deborah Huntley, Provost and Vice President for Academic Affairs, and it is my honor to present those graduates who have earned advanced degrees from the Scott L. Carmona College of Business. On behalf of my colleagues at Saginaw Valley State University, we admire your hard work, dedication, and tenacity that have allowed you to reach your academic goals and prepare for your professional career. The world of business continues to push the boundaries in what is possible for organizations near and far. Business leaders operate in a global society in which connections and collaborations within communities, between industries, and across continents are both expected and essential. The knowledge, skills, and perspective that you have gained will serve you well in your business careers. As graduates from SVSU, we are confident that you are prepared for leadership roles, and we look forward to hearing about the many ways that you will utilize your talents and education to better your organizations and communities. Many of you already have. No matter what your next step might be, we know that your contributions to the field of business will be as unique as the talents that you have brought to your graduate program, and we are pleased that you will represent SVSU with passion, professionalism, and enthusiasm. Congratulations to each of you, and best wishes.
Hello, graduates. I'm Stacy Krupp, Interim Dean of the Scott L. Carmona College of Business. On behalf of my colleagues, the faculty and staff in the Carmona College of Business, congratulations. Our college is a point of pride in our region. This is because of graduates like you. Many employers tell us that they want SVSU business graduates because of their knowledge and work ethic. You've put in long hours in the classroom. Many of you have maintained one job or more for the duration of your collegiate career. You took advantage of our college's programs of distinction and internships near and far. Many of you have studied abroad. The challenges you have faced during your college career, and in particular in this last year, have helped to prepare you for an ever-changing business environment. Your dedication of time and effort will not be wasted as you launch successful careers in business, impact the region, the world, and your professions, facilitate change and critical thinking, and lead the business world into the future. You make us proud. We hope that you will take pride in your SVSU business degree and all of the hard work that it took to arrive at this point in your career. Best wishes, and once again, congratulations.
Greetings, SVSU graduates. In a time like no other, you have achieved a thing like no other. Congratulations. So please take a moment to really reflect on your accomplishment and genuinely own a sense of pride. I've always defined pride as taking personal responsibility and daily effort. This qualification that you are getting is a symbol of exactly that: resilience, commitment, and a focus on achieving a goal. Whether it's been 4 years or 9 years, the reality is that you have stuck it out and reached a significant milestone. But this milestone is just that. It's a signpost along the journey of life that is simply an indication of the caliber of person that you are and your ability to embark on a goal and take the steps to achieve it. You have conditioned yourself to find a way to reach significant milestones by being resilient and staying focused. I know it may sound cliche, but trust me when I say the world is your oyster. Your experiences, learning, and growth that you have achieved at SVSU have set you up to do amazing things. Although I may not know you personally, I know that you are ready to conquer any challenges that face you with the training that you have experienced during your time at SVSU. So I want to again say congratulations on this achievement, and I really believe that you will prove what Bachman Turner Overdrive once sang in their 1974 song, "You ain't seen nothing yet." Now go out and do great things. Go Cardinals and showcase your red pride forever. Thank you, and God bless you on your journey.